Hello from Istanbul. My name is Necati Yilmaz. We have really nice food for you and we cook cheese pie. This food is very famous from HURREM SULTAN kitchen. What we need for cook really nice and traditional Ottoman Sultan's food? Okay, first we need some honey and some green bean, of course olive oil, and if possible to be Turkish. And we have egg, we need egg white and piece of parsley. Now we need some raisin for good combination. We have a creamy cheese without salt and must be soft please. And we have feta cheese, we need provolone cheese, and we need creamy cheese with salty. If you don't have like this cheese, you can cook what you have at your home. And we are going to start to cook. I'm very excited. Okay, my dear followers, we are going to crush all cheese. It will be very small piece, okay? Crush our parsley. Okay, and we mix with cheese. Now beans time. We open our beans if we can.
Oh.
Okay. And we take some beans. Not too much, it is enough, okay? And we mix with cheese and parsley, okay? You see? It's look nice and nice smell. And it's okay, and it is ready. It is ready, very simple and very soft. You can buy in market. It is very easy to find it, okay? And we open it now. It is like a round. Okay, you see how it's looking. Now we are coming to cut our flatbread. We cut like this, okay, and one more this part, okay, and it's ready to roll our flatbread with cheese. Okay, we have 4 pieces flatbread, 4 pieces of cheese pie. Our egg, and we take white of egg after we roll our flatbread. Okay. We cut it, we broke it, and we take our egg white. Okay. Red, yellow side is here. We separate our egg white and yellow. We don't need this one. You can cook very nice omelette with yellow one. We bring it here, and we are ready for roll our pastry. Okay, we mash our cheese. Very strong. Must be very soft. Okay, don't take it too much. We have some cheese here. Okay. And we roll it like this, not very tighter, but it will be not very soft. We can break our lavash if you roll it very tighter. Okay, and we are at the end. Now we need egg white. Okay, it's nice. Okay, and we roll it again. Okay, we are ready. We roll it one more time. So, it is ready now, really, for cooking. You can make it too many, and you can keep it in the refrigerator. When you need, you can just cook it in olive oil. Or you can cook in oven also, but I like to cook in olive oil. Okay, now we'll go to the cook in olive oil. Okay. Okay, now I'm very excited. We are coming at the end. We have olive oil here, and we open our fire, and we're waiting still to be very hot. We're going to check our olive oil, is it hot or not? You see, it's hot. You hear? It will be ready in a few minutes. I told you maybe you can cook in oven. If you have a time, you can cook in the oven also. Okay? But I like to cook in hot olive oil. It is ready. Okay. Now, honey time. It's nice. Very nice. Okay. It's really nice combination with cheese and honey. And I told you we have ingredients: salted cheese and honey, sweet and salty. Okay, last touch, some raisin. Okay. Oops. Okay. Afiyet olsun. Don't forget Turkish tea, please.